Hello guys, this is Anish Vidya with another tutorial, and this is on particles and a way to implement and how to use Xpresso in many different ways. And so as you can see, the flames are appearing and it actually follows the rotation with the PSR constraint. And okay, so let's get to the tutorial. So first what we want to do is model a torch. It's the most simple thing to do. Watch my tutorial, my modeling tutorial or something. And now we want to model all the particles. And how to do that is make a new cube, 3.125, enter, press E, enable this, 2.125, then move it up, 3, and now we should get this from the Minecraft folder. So go into your home, or app data and whatever, library, applications, board, Minecraft, and then bin, and then open this or compress it with archive utility or something, and then go down, particles are right here. Okay, so we want to go into Photoshop, and we want, actually I'll show you how to first model these particles up here. So what you have to do is make one cube, press C, make it editable, group it, and make the null invisible, like that. And then copy and paste the cube, and then copy and paste it again. So that's number 2. So now we group it. Now we right click on both of them and connect plus delete, move it in here, copy and paste it, copy and paste the first one we made, and then we make the next one. So copy and paste that, move it there, copy and connect plus delete all of them, move it in there, connect plus delete, copy and paste, and then what else? Yeah, you get the picture. So you make all of them and make sure they're all you right click and connect plus delete, make sure they're all like that. And to make the other particles, we need to make a plane plus z-axis. Yeah, find the length and the size. So this is 8 in height. So click on the plane, and each pixel is 6.25 centimeters. So type 8, shift 8, which is the star sign, and then 6.25, and then press enter. It actually does the math for you. So then the side is 4 centimeters, so 4 times 6.25, and it gives you the height. And then we just divide 25 by 6.25, which is 4, and then this by 8, and then whatever. Yeah, you see. Oh, actually we need to half everything. So divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, and divide by 2. Okay, so that looks like it's good. Oh, not that. At least I think. Whatever. Okay, we'll figure it out later. Okay, so going to Photoshop. I have an old version of Photoshop, so it looks very old. Yeah, I like the modern. Oh, hold Alt and then do that. Then crop this one like this. Crop it. Press Enter. Save it as whatever. Undo. Crop this. Save it as whatever. And yeah. Okay. Okay. So I have it loaded here already. What you have to do is just load in the color, then load it here. Just load it. Then click here. Oh no. Load it alpha. Load it in here. Glow. Increase it like this much. Edit illuminance, increase this to like 300% on all 4 of these, and then it should glow in the dark and have a small illuminance to it. I did the same for this texture of the other one. So now we add it. Oops, it's the wrong way, so rotate it, press editable, and then delete that, select everything empty, right click, split it, and now we move it back. Options 3.125. Yeah, 3.125. Press UL, select the new polygons, and then give it the texture. Put the texture on it, and then we're going to BP UV edit. Please don't crash. Okay, last time it crashed, so I suggest saving before you do this. So now I'll click on this tool, and then go to File, Open Texture, and find the texture we made. I'm not sure if I have it. Jesus. Oh no, I have it. Oh, good. Because I just recently made this thing. So as you can see, we have, because we selected the outer area, it should be here. And let me just show you. Now if we select that, what the heck? Oh, that's why. Okay, never mind. Just now we just need to render and see what's good and what's bad. So this, as you can see, this part is like slightly invisible. So we need to select and move them to the correct place. So this is yellow when it's supposed to be orange. So scale it down a little, scale it. If you can't see what I'm doing, I'll just zoom in. So that's basically this side over here. Let's see underneath. You can see they're slightly invisible. That means they're out of position. I hate doing this. This is what I did for the iron golem. And by the way, this same way implements for my character customization thing. What I'm doing is just basically the same thing, but added Xpresso and stuff, and C-motion. Oh my gosh. I'll speed it up if I need to. Actually, I don't need to do this. Just do it for both of them. And then you should have two particles. Once you get those two particles, plus you model everything, all these particles right here, you will get this. Okay, so I have all of them ready. I scaled them down slightly. I don't know how much, but just go with the flow. Like, just do whatever. Okay, I even ordered them correctly. I didn't order that. Cube 2 and cube 1. Okay. And now we need to make a new null. This is important. Make a new null. Put it under the. Make sure you group all of them, and then put the null inside that group thing. Particle 1. Make another one. Copy and paste this particle thing, and then name it particle 2. Okay. Okay. Now we need to add the Xpresso on this one. Xpresso on this one. So what we're gonna do is create something cool. Okay, so click on the particle now, that one, and then you add user data, add, name it particle 1. It's important of these names. Float slider, real. So we made 8 particles. 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So we need to put 9 in. I'll show you why later. 0. I can't explain it right now. Okay, so now grab that particle thing. We just put the user data in, and then add user data particle. And now here comes the part I use for my character customization thing. So new node, Xpresso, logic, compare, make hold control, and then just move them down. Hold control, it duplicates them. So this is what basically it tells it. So you see these inputs, sorry. These determining, like on the user data we just made. So this is 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. This determines which one. So if I put it 1, then it controls number 1 of the float slider. It's kind of like that. So we need to make 7. Oh, yeah, 7, because Eight for missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now connect. No, we need new node. Xpresso. What am I doing? Logic, general, adapter, bool, calculate, absolute, and change this to integer. Very important. Otherwise, there'll be if you put it in C motion, the float slider will go into decimals, so it doesn't round up, and that means the object will just disappear. So when putting into integer, it'll round it up and stuff. So change this also to integer. All the comparison stuff, just change it to integer. And now click on each one and change this to 1. Oh wait, what am I doing? First connect them actually. So connect this to this and connect them all to input 1, like so. By the way, R14 Xpresso is a lot better, a lot more tools and stuff. By the way, it's out. I knew it was out, but yeah. And by the way, my rig show-offs, they're for entertainment and to show you what my tutorials can do. Like if you watch all my tutorials, you'll be able to rig like that. So please don't do bad comments and stuff like that. Okay, so we now connected everything. Click on this, leave it at 0. Click on this, leave it at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I mess up on something? Or am I just being stupid? No, I'm not. Oh, I am. Yeah, I am. Okay, change this to 8. We don't need 0 because 0 is going to be just nothing. It's going to be, there won't be a cube on 0, so we just leave out 0. Okay, so now we need to move the cubes in. Make sure they're in order. And I already forgot. 5, 3, geez, they're randomly named for some reason. 6 and 11. Okay, now make some space for the new node. This is what I use to switch out different objects. So general not bool not. Okay, so whole control. Oh, you can't imagine how long it took to make that rig. Now you can imagine actually. So I made like huge amounts of this. It's now visible in editor, visible in render. There's no faster way to do this, but probably in R14, I'm not sure, but there should be an easier way of doing this. Oh, they just leave it the way it is. Cinema 4D is like, they make everything easy compared to other softwares, like Maya. Maya is like crazy. So the worst is 3ds Max. That's just too much. I might even go into V-Ray tutorials and stuff, but they're just a bit, the textures are messed up in V-Ray rendering. So now we just connect this. I will pause it once I connected all of them to the thing. All you have to do is connect that to that and to that. Be right back. Okay, so we did everything perfectly, integer everything. Okay, so now we can select everything, right click, convert to X group, double click, and voila, we have a nicely compact like Xpresso. Looks not at all complicated, and when you open it, what the hell? Okay, so what we just did is pretty amazing. Okay, that sounded weird. So why? Oh, let me that. So look at this, it's just pretty cool, right? So 0 off and all the way to 9 and then offs. So now we just need to make C motion for it. So what we have to do, go character. If you don't have C motion, that means you don't have the full version of Cinema 4D. R13, R12 doesn't have it. So please don't write a comment, I don't know how to get C motion. Oh, so many comments like that. I was just fed up of us answering them. Now we grab the thing with the user data, so the particle thing. Click on C motion, click on the particle. Particle 1 is the name of our user data we made, so add it to this. Now we should have it here, and go change it to all the way to 9. This is the reason why I changed it to 9 and not 8, because if you put it at 8, it like skips one phase of the particle. So I don't know why it does that, but it's just the way it is. So select everything, change it to linear. Okay, now we're done. So hit play. Make sure you have C motion enabled, and then you should do that. Since we changed it to integer, it does it perfectly. Okay, so let's change the time. Actually, hit Command D, changes to 15, so now it's real time, and we know it because the frames per second is really low. And now change this to about 50, so kind of slowly. Yeah, that's good enough. Okay, so now we just do the same with the other particles. I will skip this bit probably. So add the Xpresso. Actually, it's just a few blocks, just 2 blocks. So add user data, particle 2 this time, float slider, real, and add 4 because we have 2 particles. With 0 has nothing. Oh my god, I can't explain this. 3. Okay, put it in the thingy. User data, particle, yeah, logic, no. I hate doing this. Compare, okay. Lucky I figured out how to duplicate with control. Changes to integer, make it absolute. I'm not sure if you actually need absolute, but seems to have worked last time I did it. Oh, I think yes, you do need it. Change this to integer also. Connected. Forgot. Oh, yeah. Not basically inverts the signal like in Minecraft. It's pretty cool, right? It's actually pretty cool, yeah. Oh, forgot to change this to 1 and 2 and do that. I stopped playing Minecraft. Maybe I should do like 1 let's play per month or something. I know you guys are here for tutorials. I'm not going to be like one of those people who like get subscribers so they can do let's plays after, like kind of like Fluscraft. I'm not going to like, no, it's okay. Don't ignore what I said there. I'm sure I'm going to get negative comments from that, what I just said. But I like him, he's a nice guy. I have him on Skype. Pretty cool. Okay, so now I did it. 0, 1, 2, perfect. Okay, emitter, particle, emitter. Make 2 emitters. Copy and paste, select both of them, rotate this direction, move it up, hold shift, scale it down, scale it, yeah. Okay. Move it slightly above, and then we put in something I forgot to put C motion on other particles. Okay, particle 2, and oh, we have to do it in the same C motion actually. We don't have to, but it's better. Select particle 2 should be here, add it, select it. This is through experience. All of this is through experience and common sense. Okay, so if we put this back on, what is it working? Yeah, it's working. Wrong direction emitters. Okay, so now we got everything working. So what do we have to do now? I forgot. We put this in the emitter. Okay. Okay, now if we hit play, nothing's happening because we had to select both emitters and click show objects, and it has disappeared. How nice. What has happened, I wonder? Ooh, that's why, because of lag and frames. Okay, time frame, time life 20, speed 20, birth rate 5, stop emission at never. Okay, and lifetime. Yeah, 100, 0, and 100 because smoke does that. Now, when you hit play, it should be perfect. Okay, not that. Okay, particle 2, we just put the speed at 2 and hit play. Birth rate to 2. You see it suddenly disappears. That's when the C motion runs out. Let's see if it looks good. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So let's see how to fix that. Would be okay, we need to make 2 of them. So copy and paste all 3. Should be more laggy also, and change this C motion to 100 frames, and that's it. Now if you hit play, lag as hell, but you see now that it doesn't suddenly disappear. What? Well, maybe we should change this to 80. Well, okay, now it shouldn't disappear suddenly like that, but you should be dealing with a lot of lag. So if you watch my 3D animation tutorial, I told you first, once you build a set, you want to take the torches out, and like you want to save them in a different file, and then once you're done animating, you just paste it in there, put it back in your set. Same with all the other objects using simulations and everything, like water moving and stuff. Just take it out and put it in like a LIV4D folder, like a temporary one, and then when you're done animating, just load it back in. That's what I do. That's what I'm doing right now with my new set. I put like a ton of torches everywhere, ton of furnaces with the same effect. Oh, I forgot to put, oh my god, thank you, I didn't forget. Okay, so you want to put them all into one now. You click on the torch. Forgot. Make a new cube, scale it down, very small. Put it at the top of the torch. Put it in the torch now. Then, oh my god, I forgot. Oh yeah, PSR constraint to the emitters. Right click, tags, PSR, position, rotation, and scale. That's what it means. So we want off rotation, and now put the target to this cube over here we just made. Now go to offset and change the z-axis for some reason. Now when you rotate the we need to we need to parent the cube to something like the torch, actually. No, to a new null. Oh. And then scale this null. I mean, change it to a cube. A cube. Change this to Z or whatever. Press this. And oh, we don't need that actually. Oh my god, I'm messing up again. Okay, now put the torch in that null. And then we click on the cube and put in that null also. And now when we select the null and rotate it, you see that the emitter is staying like that. Oh my god, I didn't put the texture at the bottom. Oh, I'm an idiot. And as you can see, oh, by the way, those tiny dots that are flying around, that's this. You see the emitters? You see there's a small dot in the middle. To remove that, you go to no, in emitters there's nothing. It's actually on the null. You see that if you go into object, there's something called a dot. Change it to none and then the dot disappears. It's basically a way of selecting the object. So if you select the dot, this is actually the emitter or something. I don't know what it is, but yeah. Okay, so now that's how you make particles. It's pretty awesome. Okay, thank you for watching. This was a very long tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. I probably didn't, but it's just for educational reasons. I don't know, just to teach you guys how to do this. You can implement the same way for customizations and stuff, but please credit me. Actually, you don't have to do that because it's your own thing. And yeah, thanks for watching, and bye.